alaikum and welcome once again to my channel. We teach you how to use your phone to make money online, and the first strategy we are using is Amazon KDP. I have a bunch of other videos starting how to start up an Amazon KDP account using your phone, and this video is just a continuation of it. So if you want to work with all through this process, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to get updates on new videos. So in this video I'm going to walk you through how to create your custom blog content book. In the previous video we talked about its free website to download these books, and you don't have to create them by yourself. There are many websites to actually download these books, but these websites are paid. I did my research and most of them are paid. However, there is a free method to do this, but it requires a lot of effort. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating it. I'm going to walk you through the process of creating in this video. But if you still choose the paid option, it's actually stress-free. You can still go straight to it. I'll leave a link to it down in the description box below. So the website I'm using is Open Sky. You can get it at opensky.com. It's a surgical generator. We are doing sort of proposals, so I'm going to create a Sudoku with 10 pages, and easy, the difficulty level is easy, and I'm going to put that one puzzle per page because that's advisable. And then I'm going to click on this solution button, and then go. When I click on go, my puzzle is going to be downloaded as a PDF file to my phone. But this PDF file can not be uploaded to the app we are going to use to really customize this possible, because you cannot upload this puzzle book right here on Amazon KDP because of one problem, and that is this funny write-off at the top of the pages. So you don't want to upload it like that on Amazon KDP platform. You don't want to buy a book without funny write-off, and it's going to look like it's just copy and paste. So you want to really customize it to look like your own, and that is why we have to edit this document. So you have to convert this PDF file to PNG, that you have to convert it to images, each and every one of them. We are going to go to Google and search for PDF to PNG, and you just choose any options you like and convert the PDF file to PNG files. And so I chose this PDF to PNG file because it has a lot of opportunities. It has a lot of things you can also use it to do apart from converting PDF to PNGs. You can use it to convert your PDF to doc files. You can use drop to PDF, PNG to PDF, or you can use it to compress and combine PDFs too. So all you have to do is just you upload your file to the platform, and then it's going to process your file into PNG. However, this file is dipped because it's bulk write, so that's why in my previous video I recommend that the Phoenix app, you can get him on Google Play Store before you download it to your phone. You go to unzip it, and then you are going to see that this PDF has now been converted to PNG file. that there are now images. So Convert is the app they used to upload these images and edit them and customize them. So all you have to do is come down to this plus button down here and then go to custom size. The size I'm going to be using for the pages are 6 by 9 inches. Yeah, so when you click on that custom size, then you have to change the resolution to inches. You see that you have to change it to inches. When you have done that, you have compute the size and weight for 6 by 9. You can actually go for any size of book. I recommend 8.5.11 for surgical puzzle. Now it's going to bring out the layout of your page. When it brings it out, it's going to suggest some templates for you, but we are not going to use that. Once that pops up, you just swipe it to come down, but actually we now want to upload these images. So right here to our page and edit them so that they are going to be what we want, our own custom book. And how to do it is you click on this plus icon right here and then you go to uploads. When you go to upload, you go to upload media, and then from upload media you are going to be able to access all your images that's in your phone storage. So all you have to do is to find the exact place where you save the PNG images, and then you begin to upload them, like I said, in a very early manner so that you are not going to get things all mixed up. Now when you upload them from number 1 to number last, it's now ready for editing on the Canva app. Now you click on the one you want to upload and then it goes on to your page. So now we are going to crop this to remove all the right. So down here, and you can use it using the navigation bar right here where you see all your tools. So we are going to click on crop and then you resize these images, removing all those text and write up there. When you are done, you click on when you click on done, all you have to do is to resize the image right now to fit your page using those 4 corners. At the edges, don't use the ones at the top, use the ones at the edges. Okay, so when you are done, now all that's left for us is to add some text. To add some text, you just click on the plus button right there and then you go to text. You also use that toolbar right there to get access to everything you want to. So now I'm going to click on add a heading, and I just want to add some fancy to this book I'm creating. So you just have to watch through the process. Anyways, it doesn't necessarily I have to be a 6 by 9 inch book, because looking at that, it's going to be really a small sort of cool book, and with the resizing of the book, with the size of the surgical is really small. So I just suggest you go for 8.5 by 11. It's going to really give a wider space for whosoever is going to be playing the game. And also when resizing your puzzle, make sure it almost fills the page so that it's going to balance up and it's going to be big. Now you can also change the font by going down. When you click on the text, you go down to the fonts font on the text tool box, and then you can change the fonts to whatever. So like I'm just going to go for a simple one. You can see there are so many different types of font, and there's one good thing about Canva. So I'm just going to go for this one, and that's okay for me. Then I'm also going to add some little fancy stuffs to this page, and all you have to do is click on the plus icon again, and then you go to elements. You can add anything from little stars or ideas, clouds, more. You just basically any fancy things you can use to decorate your book. Add visuals, you can get them, add elements. So but I'm just going to type for ideas to add some text to my Sudoku puzzle book. So as you can see, we have a list of many wonderful things. Some of them are free and some are actually available in the pro version, so you have to subscribe for the pro version to get that. But I'm going to use this one right here. Now you can resize it to whatever you want. I'm going to change this from color to black and white because I want to publish this on Amazon KDP platform as black and white. I don't need any color on this, will add more cost, so you need to change the color. Is go down to your tools and then you can see the different color. Now you can change them to any color you want. I'm just going to change all that to black and white. As you can see, we have our black and white, so it's okay like this. And I'm also going to add some few elements to really spice it up a bit. I'm also going to change all that colors to black and white. So now our book is ready. You can also duplicate this page by going down to this page button right here. This will save us some time because it will not only, instead of you creating the page for each number of pages, imagine you are doing 100 pages, you just duplicate the page to whatever number you want and just make it that number can actually only allows 100 pages. If you want to do more, that means you have to make 100 the first page and then 100 the second page, and then you go back to PDF to PNG, and then you combine these PDFs together as one before you upload it to Amazon KDP platform. But for now I'm going to duplicate this PDF to those pages, so save my time, and I'm just going to make 10 of them. Because I'm actually doing 10 pages for this tutorial, I'm not making 100 pages. So Sudoku Possible, you can now see each one of them, so you can customize this to add the second page. All you have to do is to go back to your uploads and then upload your page number 2, and then you have to send them in an orderly manner. Then you crop this page and just really align it to align it so that it's going to be the same size with the when you upload to your page one, and that is just what you have to do. The second thing you also have to edit in your duplicate copy is the text. So if you have a Sudoku number 1, the next one is going to be to look for number 2. So there's one easy thing also. You just go to save your time here, and the last thing to do is the answer page. So now to create the answer page, you don't have to duplicate one there again. So what you are going to do, all you just have to do is to create a new page, and you do that by going to that page button and click on add instead of duplicate. When you are going to do here, you upload your answers, and then if there's any need for cropping, you crop it to remove those dry up. Make sure you do it carefully, and then you resize it to fit your page. You can also add some fancy things like here. And did you get it? Here are the answers, and that's all for creating your interior, your own customized KDP interiors. You see, it's not quite hard to create it. It's actually easy, and we have gone through the process of doing it, so you don't have to freak out because you are creating your customized one. It kind of takes time and using your phone, and it might seem a little bit not easy, but it's actually something you can do. So we have created our interior, and now it's left to download your interior as a PDF file. So you go up to that download icon, and then when you click on it you are going to see PNG. But now we are going for PDF, and you are going to click on PDF print file, high quality print, and then your file is going to download straight into your phone. So that's how to create our interior in this tutorial. I just made up 10 pages. You can do as many pages as you want in as many sizes of books that you want. So open Skylar, here is the website to use. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. And Canva is the mobile app you use to unzip your file. You just use Phoenix app. You can get it on Google Play Store. And then to convert PDF to PNG, just go to pdf to png.com. I'll leave a link to it also in the description box below. The very last thing before your book can be ready for sale in the Amazon KDP platform is your cover. Anyways, we are not going to treat that in this video, but we are going to cheat it in the next video. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified when we leave that video. And also our playlist is coming up, so be sure to check out. Thank you for staying with me to the end of the video. See you next time. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.